Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to align to a key object in Figma. This is incredibly useful when you want to align multiple elements to one specific object rather than to each other or to the frame, giving you much more precise control over your design layout. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your Figma application. Once you're in, open the file where you want to apply this alignment technique. For this example, we're working with a simple setup, a rectangle shape, and some text. These are the elements we'll be aligning, but this method works with any combination of objects in your design. Now look down at the bottom of your screen and click on the action icon. From the menu that appears, select Plugins and Widgets. This is where Figma houses all its powerful extensions that can dramatically enhance your design capabilities beyond the built-in tools. In the search bar that appears, type Align To. This plugin is specifically designed to help you align objects to a designated key object, which is exactly what we need for this task. Once you find the plugin in the search results, click on it and then click Run. This will activate the plugin and open its interface within your Figma workspace. Here's where the magic happens. Select two or more items that you want to align. In our case, we'll select both the rectangle and the text. Make sure both elements are highlighted so the plugin knows which objects you're working with. Next, click on Get Selection. This button tells the plugin to recognize the objects you've just selected and prepare them for alignment. You'll notice the plugin interface updates to show your selected items. Now comes the crucial step. Click on what you want to set as the key object. For this example, let's click the rectangle. The key object is the anchor point, meaning all other selected elements will align relative to this specific object rather than to each other or the frame boundaries. This gives you complete control over which element stays in place while the others move to align with it. After selecting your key object, you'll see various alignment options appear. These work just like standard alignment tools, but instead of aligning to the frame or distributing evenly, everything aligns specifically to your chosen key object. Click any of the alignment options that suit your needs, whether that's aligning to the left edge, center, right edge, top, or bottom of your key object. And that's it. Your text will now align perfectly to the key object you selected. This technique is a game changer for maintaining consistent spacing and alignment in complex designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.